Hi, I'm Andrew Mooney and I refinanced my mortgage with Joust. I looked around for a better home loan rate because we moved back to Australia, and because I didn't have any tax returns, most of the conventional providers wouldn't give me a loan. So I was forced to take a loan with a non-traditional provider who was charging me quite a high interest rate. So when I'd been working for a while, I started looking around for cheaper alternatives to my current provider. I saw an ad on either social media or on TV, so I thought, oh, I'll give this a try. So it was late one night, I jumped online, filled out all the details, like it was incredibly easy to use, and within like 30-45 minutes, I had a rate from a traditional provider, and that was how easy it was. I liked everything about Joust. It was incredibly easy to use. Like, it was so quick. It was almost seamless. You know how easy it was to use versus everybody else. Like, it was a breeze. I was surprised how quickly they came back to me with a rate. Within 30-45 minutes of me starting the process, I had a rate locked in, with one of the big providers. So it was very quick. The customer service experience was amongst the best I've ever experienced. A pleasure to deal with, no hassles. They were there to make my life easier. No complaints at all. What I've saved on my home loan monthly would be roughly $800 a month. So annually, you're looking at about $10,000 a year. So a very significant saving. I'm hoping that I never have to borrow money again. I'm intending that this will be my last house, but if I ever had to move again or take out a loan, I would absolutely use Joust again. In fact, it would probably be the first port of call. I'd go to them first. I would recommend Joust to anybody, friends, family, complete strangers. If you're looking for a great rate with great service, I thoroughly recommend Joust.